Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook easy means ground pork recipe. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need black pepper, salt, oyster sauce, soy sauce, mixed vegetables, peas, corn, carrots, uh, beans, and then we need also ground pork, onions, tomatoes, and then garlic. To start, gonna saute the garlic. And then saute the garlic, onions, and then tomatoes. Okay. And then we're gonna add a ground pork, guys. Okay. And then we're gonna add soy sauce. And then the oyster sauce. Mm, oyster sauce, guys. Okay, guys. We're gonna cover this one for how many minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So the meat is done. So I'm gonna test first the if it is salty or not. Mm, it's good. So I'm going to add black pepper. Mm, cut that one. And then, guys, by the way, I take it out the other oil because it's so much oil. Okay, so that one is good enough already. So I'm gonna add the mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, corn, beans. Okay, so I'm gonna add this one. Mm, it's super yum. So look at. Mm. Okay, guys, since the carrots, the mixed vegetables are not cooked, so we're gonna simmer for how many minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay. Okay, guys, look at this one. Oh, the vegetables are cooked. So it's done. Okay. So I'm gonna test. Carrots. And then, okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat now. It's done. Okay, so look at our easy means ground pork recipe. Okay, so it's done. It's very quick. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna test it. Mm, the vegetables are not overcooked, so it's yummy. Mm, yes, it's done. Okay, okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dbroja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.